You won't believe how this crypto trader turned $100 into $1 million in 24 hours. Hey there, my name is Ryan, and I'm stoked to share some juicy details about this epic event happening on BingX, the SuperX Chelsea Fiesta. As a seasoned crypto trader, I can tell you that this is the kind of opportunity that separates the studs from the duds in the futures game. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ooh, another crypto event? How original. But trust me, this one's got a twist that's gonna blow your mind. See, BingX has teamed up with none other than the legendary Chelsea FC to bring you a futures trading showdown like no other. It's like they took the beautiful game and fused it with the wild west of crypto trading. Madness, I tell ya. The way it works is simple. You register for the event, start racking up that futures trading volume, and bam, you could be walking away with a sweet chunk of that massive 311K prize pool. And get this, the top 100 futures trading volume studs are gonna be raking in some serious dough. We're talking 110K for the numero 70K for second place, and even the bottom of the top 10 is walking away with 5 grand. But here's the kicker, if you're a fresh-faced newbie to BingX, there's a separate leaderboard just for you. That means you've got a shot at snagging some extra rewards on top of the futures trading volume prizes. Talk about a double whammy, am I right? Now, I know what you're thinking. All right, Ryan, this all sounds great, but what's the catch? Well, my friend, the only catch is that you've got to get in on the action before it's too late. The event starts on July 17th and runs until July 27th, so you better believe the competition is gonna be fierce. But don't worry, I've got your back. When you register for the event, make sure you use the referral code 911 to get in on the action. And let me tell you, the crew over at BingX have really outdone themselves with the welcome gift, a cool 1 BTC just for signing up. Now, that's what I call a sweet deal. So, what are you waiting for? The clock is ticking, my friend. Get your butt over to BingX, register for the SuperX Chelsea Fiesta, and let's see if you've got what it takes to be the futures legend of the future. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. The links and contacts are all in the description below, so let's get this party started.